Hello guys, if today is your first time passing by, thank you so much for passing by. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a DIY for treating dandruff. And dandruff has been my main hair problem. I've been really fighting. In fact, I've been trying to get treatment to cure my dandruff. I've been doing all sort of things just to get rid of my dandruff, and all seemed to no avail. And I came across this DIY and I decided to try it, and seriously, it's working like magic. So I decided to drop a video on how to control your dandruff at home without buying any products. So aside from this dandruff, this product going to cure dandruff in your hair is also going to help taking your hair. It's going to add shine to your hair. It's going to promote hair growth. Oh my god. So I hope you stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So I'll be using banana, the fruit and the peel as well. I'll be using banana and the peel to do this tutorial, and I'll add some aloe vera. In fact, I can't go without my aloe vera when I'm doing my natural hairstyle conditioning. Oh my god, yes, I can't go away with aloe vera when I'm doing my hair. So a bit of egg to promote or to give my hair some protein. I had a braid on for a very long time, and I decided to do some conditioning which can help prevent dandruff in my hair. So I'm adding some protein to my hair to prevent the hair loss, or like to add the hair that I'm going to lose. Oh yeah. So I'm going to blend all these ingredients together, and then I'll get a paste. I'm going to make sure that I will add some the paste in my hair, and then some of this paste on the root of my hair. Yeah, so from the video you can see that the moment I added this paste on my hair, the hair, it just became so heavy, some bulkiness or something. Yes, like it became heavy. And this DIY, it gives your hair, like it makes your hair very thick. Yeah, you get this thick hair. So if you're looking out to do some DIY that can take in your hair, I'll recommend this DIY for you. Yeah, so after I've applied this on my hair, I'm just going to brush it so that the paste can spread throughout the whole hair. So if you're looking out for the channel with the best natural hair products, ways of making your hair thick, growing your hair, natural hairstyles, protective hairstyles with your natural hair, DIYs, oh my god, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please support my channel for me. And if you love this video so far, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. In fact, if you haven't watched my wash day video, please do not forget to go and watch it, because you are going to learn all the steps to grow your hair so beautifully. Oh my goodness, In fact, I have a lot of video on the way, and I hope and I know you'll be interested in. So do not pass by this channel, and please subscribe for me. I'm going to be listing the benefits of using the banana and the banana peel on the hair in the description below. So please do not forget to check that one as well. And I'm going to be leaving the benefits of using aloe vera as well in the description below. Do well to check as well. So I'm done putting the paste on my hair, everything on my hair, everything on my hair. Yeah, this is my bow. Yeah. So when I'm done with this, I'll just take my rubber hair cover, or my shower cap. Yeah, I just put my shower cap on the hair just to keep it moist. Yes, and then I'll wait for about 30 minutes. 15 to 30 minutes is okay. I'll wait for about 15 to 30 minutes later, and then so let's wait for 15 minutes. Okay, let's wait for 15 to 30 minutes, and then go wash this thing off. So when you are washing, make sure you unbraid the twist so that you'll be able to wash the paste from your hair thoroughly. Yes, so that you won't leave any stain on your hair. Okay, so I'm done washing my hair. I have to put this hair back to twist because I wanted to add some oil to my hair, and this oil is a DIY. Yeah, I made this oil in the house, and okay, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, so that you do check the ingredient that I use for this oil. Yeah. So I added some turmeric to it. Yes, because turmeric also helps to fight dandruff. So after watching the video on how I made this oil, the ingredients I used for this oil, you can add some turmeric oil, of which I have a video of it as well in my channel, yeah, my video. So you do well to check as well. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is very important. Please subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm going to rub this oil in my hair thoroughly. Yep, especially the root of my hair. Yep, that is where the dandruff problem is. So I need to get rid of that, man. So I'm going to do all of these. This is about to get to the end of this video. Oh my god, you're getting to the end of the video. So if you love this video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video to your friends. Until then, let's meet in my new video. Bye bye.